PM Narendra Modi is very good at raising money. Whether it's from banks or from selling national assets or from launching a fraudulent fund. However, all these murky ventures of PM Modi have ended up with the same fate. Taxpayers' money is being used for unknown activities and the taxpayer has been kept in the dark. PM Modi collected more than Rs 10,000 crores through public donation for the PM Cares Fund for COVID-19. 1.5 years later, in a submission to a petition seeking that PM Cares Fund be declared as the state under Article 12 of the Constitution, the Modi government says the PM Cares Fund is a private trust and not a fund of the Government of India. Therefore, information related to the fund cannot be shared even under the RTI Act. How can a fund that has been registered under the Revenue Department of Delhi, defined as a fund set up by the central government, with the Prime Minister as chairperson and top ministers as trustees, not be considered a public fund and fall under the purview of the RTI Act? The Modi government defined the PM Care Fund as a government trust to collect donations from corporates and citizens, while dubiously adding a clause that calls it a private entity and therefore removing it from the purview of RTI. We donated money to the PM Cares Fund, hoping our money would be used to help people during the pandemic. And yet, the second wave of COVID-19 devastated our nation to an incomprehensible degree. Where did all our donations go? What did Modi government have to show for it? And most importantly, what is PM Modi hiding?